Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. So my dear students, today we are going to read the today we are going to do the comprehension from chapter number 4, that is a visit to Shillong, from your English reader book. Now let's do it. Now let's come to the question number A. Circle the correct words to complete the sentences. So here few sentences are given. You have to complete this sentence by the help of given two options. You have to choose the correct word from this option. Nana and Sona were going to Simla or Shillong. So here our correct answer is Shillong. So you have to circle the word Shillong. Nana and Sona were going to Shillong. Now let's come to the second one. They were visiting their parents or grandparents. So here the correct word is grandparents. So you have to circle the word grandparents. They are visiting their grandparents. The drive from Guwahati to Shillong takes 3 or 5 hours. So here your correct answer is 3. The drive from Guwahati to Shillong takes 3 hours. Now let's come to the last one. The botanical garden or the Sweet Falls is well known picnic spot in Shillong. So in the explanation of this chapter, I told you that the Sweet Falls is a well-known picnic spot in Shillong. So here you have to circle the word the Sweet Falls. Now let's come to the question number B. Who said these words and to whom? Write their names on the blanks. So students, here you have to read this word that is given below and you have to write the names who said these words and to whom. Now look at the first one. How much longer? So these words was said by Nana to her grandma. Now look at the second one. The drive from Guwahati to Shillong takes 3 hours, my dear. So these words are said by grandma to her daughter-in-law Nana. Now let's come to the third one. There is a valley on your side. So this word was said by Sona to her grandpa. Now your question number A and B is completed. Let's discuss the question number C, that is answer these question. Let's do it. Look at the first one. Where did grandma and grandpa live? So students, in the explanation of this chapter, you studied that the grandma and grandpa lived in Shillong. So in the answer of this question, you have to write the grandma and grandpa lived in Shillong. Now let's come to the question number 2. Why did Sona ask grandpa to drive slowly? So Sona asked grandpa to drive slowly because she want to see the valley on her way to the Shillong. So students, in the answer of this question you have to write because she want to see the valley. Now let's come to the question number 3. What is the best time to visit Shillong? So the month March and April are the best months to visit Shillong because the winters are really cold and it rains heavily during the monsoons. So in the answer of this question you have to write March and April are the best months to visit Shillong. Now let's come to the question number 4. What does An Ching Ka Sa E Shillong mean? It means we love Shillong. So you have to write An Ching Ka Sa E Shillong mean we love Shillong in the answer of question number 4. Now your exercise A, B and C is completed. You have to write this in your fair copy and you have to also learn them. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.